Hello everyone, welcome to day 9 of 10 days of JavaScript tutorial series. So the task for today is, today we will know how to create a button and we will be incrementing its value by 1. Okay, every time we will be clicking on the button, its value will get increment by 1. Okay, so let's see how to do this with the help of plain JavaScript. Okay, first of all, let's create a button using document dot create element, and here comes the name of the element. Okay, button. We want to create a button. Now simply we can provide some ID, like let us suppose button, and we can also provide some inner HTML. Let us suppose initially the value of the button is 0. Okay, so inner HTML, it is basically the value of the button that will be displayed over the button. Okay, now right now we are not able to see any button on the browser. So what we have to do is we have to simply append this button node to the DOM. Okay, so document.body.append child and this node button. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we have got our button. Now what is our next task? Our next task is to simply add an event. Okay, an event listener, that is click. Let us add button on click. Okay, on button on click, what I will be doing is simply attaching a function, and that function will simply, what it will do is button dot inner HTML plus equals 1. It will simply do +1. Okay, that's not quite right. Okay, let's see what we are doing wrong. Okay, so we can simply do it like this. Let's check this out. Okay, yeah, it works. Okay, so it is incrementing the value. Okay, so plus equals to 1, it was just concatenating the 1 1 1 1. So we have to do this way. Okay, so we have our button working, and what we can do is we can also give some class like add. Okay, and we can like simply give some height of 50 pixel and width of 50 pixel and font size of maybe 24 pixel. Okay, and what we can do is we can simply add this as a class name equals that add. Okay, so I hope this works. Yeah, we got our button. Okay, so now it is big and it looks cool. So let us once again click 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, so guys, it is totally working. Okay, so we can say it is working. So I hope you guys got an idea how to create elements. Like we can similarly also create div. Okay, like we have created button, and we can similarly attach an ID to it, and we can also change the inner HTML, and we can also add class name. Okay, and this is the way of attaching node to DOM. Okay, so I hope you guys have learned how to create a button in JavaScript. If you guys liked my video, so do like it, share it, and do subscribe to my channel, that is Dev channel. Thank you guys, stay tuned.